Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just wanted to come on here and do a recap of my trades today. October 11th, went 3 for 3 trading SPY, took 3 separate puts, all 355 strike expiring tomorrow. First result was a 40% gain, second was a 20% gain, and the third one was our big winner of the day, which was a 329% gain. And so that gave us a total percentage gains of 389% on the day. Was my first trades in options on the week and starting off very strong. So what I wanted to do is walk you guys through exactly why I was getting the trades step by step on each trade. So we're going to go over to my trading view and I'm going to walk you guys through trade number 1. So trade number 1, what I was looking for was we were overbought on the RSI. MACD was dark green to light green. So that means that momentum was starting to shift to the downside. And so once we broke the low of this 30-minute candle, which was 358.23, I entered puts. And so once I entered puts, just wrote it out. We expect to be in a play for 1 to 3 bars. So since it had triggered the 30-minute strategy for my trading plan up here, right about 359.17, then this would be 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, which was perfect. Exactly gave us the doji, so you could see a reversal coming from a doji anyways. And so wrote it down. We had a $2.42 drop, which gave us a little bit over 40%, but took about a 40% return on that one play. And so that was play number 1. Play number 2. I set my fibs from yesterday's pre-market high to today's intraday low. Okay, then we went over to the 15-minute chart. So this is where we could see potentially a double top when we were right here. So I was looking at a double top. I was looking at RSI being overbought. MACD was perfect for a reversal. We were in the golden zone on the fib, and we had a doji, which signifies reversal, right? And then so the 6th confirmation was going to be the breaker candle to the downside. So what I did was I set my entry at 360.49 on this candle here. Once we broke entry, then we ended up going down for exactly $1, and then we bounced off of that. But that $1 gave us a 20% return, so easy money in the bank. And that is play number 2. Play number 3, what I was looking at here was now on the bigger time frames, we could see a trend starting. So drew my lines from the high of this kind of peak that we had going on here, then to here we have a line, right? So 1 dot is a dot, 2 dots is a line, 3 is a trend, right? And then once we follow the trend, you could see something happen consistently, right? So 1 tap, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4 taps, boom, we're on a trend. We're looking for a rejection of that trend line. It's a strong resistance, right? And so going through the confirmations, we have RSI is overbought, MACD's prime for reversal, bunch of dark greens. We have a trend line touch, and then from this high to the intraday low, we didn't get close to that fib, but it was close enough to where we were starting to look for a reversal since we were so overbought. But we're not going to count it as a confirmation. But if we would have gotten up there, that would have been tremendous, right? If we would have gotten to this level, 364, then we would have been looking for a double top. But we kind of peaked right here, right about 363, so $1 away from a double top. But back to the confirmations, we have trend line, tap, we have RSI overbought, we have MACD prime for reversal, and now the breaker candle is going to be the 5th confirmation, right? And so 30-minute we were overbought. On the 45-minute, we were super overbought. On the 1 hour, we were extremely overbought. So everything was pointing to the downside, right? Multiple time frames, that's what you want. And so on this candle, we had a really fat doji. And so that could be considered another form of confirmation, but that would give us about 6. And so that's a great play. But besides that, the fact that all these time frames were overbought, I was in love with this play. So the moment that this candle printed, 15-minute candle, set my entry would have been at 361.94. From here, since we were so overextended, I would have put my stop loss right here at 363.03. And then I was just going to let this thing ride throughout the day. I knew that the 30-minute, the 1 hour was overbought. So I was just being patient with it. It was kind of going sideways a little bit, working its way kind of down, but just being patient. I knew that at one point it was going to drop. And then eventually come this 11:45 candle, dump, right? And so we ended up taking this play for a hefty amount, about 329% on this one drop, which was just amazing. And that concluded the 3 for 3 trades. Following my trading plan, I don't take more than 3 day trades in a day, swinging some plays overnight. So we'll see how we go into tomorrow based on the reports. At this point, we're just playing with profits. Amazing day today. From a 389% gains, that's basically a 4.9x return on investment from what I traded today. And can't complain on that. And so that is my recap for today. 3 for 3 on Trading Spy. 389% total percentage gains, October 11th. If you guys like these recaps, please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I appreciate all the support and the kind words. And let me know what you guys would like on another video in the comments if you guys want me to throw in something new. All right, guys, have a good day.